Hello and welcome to. Oh, oh, hey there! It's been a while. Huh? Of course I remember you. You come in here at least 3 times a week. And well, we all started worrying when we didn't see you for a while. Your workplace gets busy around the holidays, too. I feel that. I'm just glad you came back today. Your usual? Alright then. Forgive me, but you look really cold right now. The forecast said it was going to be particularly snowy and windy today, so, I'm a bit concerned. Are you sure? Well, if you say so. Or you could warm up in here for a bit, I suppose. Either way, I'll get your usual started. There's a nice spot on that couch that's by the heater. Feel better in no time if you sit there. Alright then. That'll be. You already know the price. Of course you know. I have a seat. Your order will be out soon. Hey! What? What do you mean? I'm just bringing you your drink. Oh, this extra one? It's just some hot cocoa. No, it's free. You were looking really cold, so I wanted to bring it to you. No, I won't get in trouble for it. Our hot cocoa machine is working fine, and I just thought you might need it. Well, of course, I was thinking about you. You're my favorite I mean... Hey, don't laugh at me like that. I didn't mean to say that. You really need to stop doing that. You're gonna be the death of me one day, you know that? Huh? You've been making an effort to come around whenever I'm working just to see me? But why? You think I'm cute? Me? Don't be ridiculous. Well, yes, I do like you, but I mean, what? I'm not sure about that. How long till my shift is over? Just about 15 minutes. Why? You wanna drink hot cocoa with me? No. I mean, I'd like to, but it's just a little sudden. Not to mention you aren't feeling too well, so I really don't want to keep you in case you get worse. When would I be available? 3 p.m. tomorrow. You can come to the cafe, and I'll drink hot cocoa with you, but only if you're feeling well enough to come. Of course I feel the need to worry. I don't want you to be sick.
Hey, you've talked to that customer long enough. Come back to the counter already.
I should probably go. Oh, before I do, go. Check the bottom of your cup. Yeah. It has my number on it. Bye. This was, I don't even know how to feel about this. At least I didn't have to make out with my hand. I'll take that. Still haven't recovered from the fact my hand gets more love than I do. This was nice, I guess. The amount of sound effects and shit, not so nice. That was my least favorite part. The fact I had to do so many different sound effects, and you could barely hear them, or they're too loud. I hate it. Also, I want that part 2. I'm not kidding. I want the part 2. I know the motherfucker that wrote this script. I know you're watching this. And I absolutely mean this. I want that part 2. You wanna call me a bitch? Well, you can play this game, bitch. You need to hurry up with part 2. I was so sweet and made your fucking video a week early. You just won't get it until next week.